So we're gonna be installing the SSD drive on a PS5. Pop the cover off, remove the screw from there to fill up with the PlayStation logo. Pop the cover open. Insert the card matching the port right there. Also, you're gonna remove those little spacer that goes there with the extra screw, and you're gonna install it right underneath the card, so that way it bolts there. So now it's bolted, ain't going nowhere. Put the cover back on. Put the screw there and just tighten up. Do not over torque it. Once you're ready to put the panel back on, make sure those tabs goes in first there. At this point, you're pretty much done with the installation. All you gotta do is plug it in, reformat the SSD, and that's it.